Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to fix your lost phone number on TikTok. So let's get started. For that let's get into TikTok app. Sometimes you might have lose the sometimes you might lost your phone number and you would like to change it from TikTok. For that we need to simply click on profile icon in the bottom right and click on this three-line icon on the top right and click on the settings icon over here, settings and privacy, and over here we can see this account option. Simply tap on that and click on account information, and here we can see the phone number option. Simply tap on that. Here we can see I have not added my phone number yet, and you can simply add your phone number here, and if you want to change it you'll be able to see the change option and you'll get a code in the new phone number, and after that you can finally change your phone number if it is lost. And if this does not work you can simply get into reporting a problem over here, and you can simply report your problem about your settings, that is your phone number is lost and you would like to get it changed. So let's click on report and click on chat with us, and here you can write a problem that you want your phone number being changed. So here you need to simply enter your problem, that is you want your phone number to be changed as it is lost, and simply click on send icon over here to send it, and you are done. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.